Hi everyone, AuntDi here, and we have the very first ever Venture Cricut mystery box, which is so exciting. So the first one we have here is removable vinyl in a red color. So it's really good, and there is 5 feet of it. You also have removable 5 feet in sort of an orange color. And let's see, let me get this out of here. We have my arm, and we have looks like heat transfer vinyl in the holographic, and we have 5 feet of it. Then there is another 5 feet of removable green. Then there is a white box bag, and it's vinyl stencil. Ooh. I'm going to have to make a stencil and paint something on my wall somewhere. We'll have to see what I can come up with. And, of course, Mr. Cricut Cutie. And this is saying he is in true pink. So let's take a peek at what color true pink is, other than pink, what shade of pink it is. It is a repeat color. And there he is. True pink. Anyways, guys, there is some of it. It's piled up here. But yeah, happy crafting.